Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side, we have the Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit, and on the right side, we have the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam. Get ready, because this is going to be a showdown of epic proportions. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit comes in at a budget-friendly $29, while the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam will set you back $69. Now, I don't know about you, but that price difference definitely caught my attention. Moving on to the features, both of these dashcams have some impressive offerings. The Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit boasts a new upgrade with a USB-C power supply, making it more stable and reliable. Plus, it comes with a 24-hour surveillance feature, ensuring that your dashcam is always powered, even when your car is turned off. On the other hand, the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam takes things to the next level with its 3-channel recording capability. It captures the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously, giving you maximum road coverage. And did I mention that it comes with a free 64GB SD card? That's a lot of storage. Now let's talk about installation. The Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit offers easy installation with hidden wiring, keeping your car neat and tidy. Plus, it works with most car models, so compatibility won't be an issue. But hold on, because the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam takes it a step further with its hidden design. It combines 3 cameras in a compact size, ensuring that it won't block your view or distract you while driving. And the best part? You can easily install the front camera on your windshield and connect it to a power source. Talk about convenience. Now let's talk about the most crucial aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit offers high-resolution recording, but it doesn't quite match up to the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam. With its 4K front camera and infrared cabin light, this dashcam delivers exceptional clarity and color precision, whether it's day or night. Say goodbye to blurry footage. The Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit is praised for its easy installation and compatibility with most car models. Reviewers appreciate the stable power supply and 24-hour surveillance feature. On the other hand, the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam receives high marks for its versatile 3-channel recording capability and exceptional video quality, especially with its 4K front camera and infrared cabin light. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to make a decision. Both the Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit and the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam had their unique strengths. If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable option, the Plozoe Dashcam Hardwire kit might be the right choice for you. But if you want top-notch video quality and the added bonus of 3-channel recording, the Chensive 3-channel 4K Dashcam is definitely worth considering. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.